like have a make it outline for this one. And then we can start from right there. I love that how precise the bristle is. Nice, long, and precise. So we're gonna just like really simple. This is like super basic technique. You can just like drawing symbols like along with the nails. You can do it thick or thin, it up to you. It's not going to make any difference. And then we're gonna make it look like a Christmas tree with the like filling with the snow. So all you need to do is like this. Go like basically doing like a zigzag. It's really simple. And it's already sealed with the top coat, so you're never gonna go wrong with this. One, and then we're gonna do the other one opposite way, like you're doing your zigzag. Two, and then go opposite way. This is so fun designs and it's super cute and easy for anyone can do this. And they're all still wet, so I'm gonna go ahead and continue with this. Super easy. So now, if you're happy with this, we are going to sprinkle some sugaring on it. Okay? So get the like clear tray, and then we are going to sprinkle some of this. I'm gonna hold this one on the tray and pour it in. They're still wet, so don't key anything if you want some sugaring on it, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle it in now, so it's not going to stick to anything because we top coat the pure white colors on the background, and we also top coat the tree, the part of the foils already. So now we're gonna just like sprinkle it in like maybe about 4 or 5 times to make sure they are absorbing it really nicely to the gel painting that I did with zigzag line. It looked like a snowing on the Christmas tree. So now don't dust anything off yet because it's still wet. So we're gonna key it under the LED light for 60 seconds. Okay, and pull it back into this. I love that this has like full jar of it, so easy for you to create so many different like sugaring effects for this season. It make it like cute, like artificial snows on the nails. There's a brush there. I'm so excited for that one, for the sugaring one. So I'm not able to get the sugaring, and here is, I love this. This is like I call it Nancy corns, but it has really nice fur, so I can dust off all my sugaring without messing it up. So make sure you full cure for 60 seconds, so then you can dust off all of the excess sugaring. You see that is today's is really easy tutorial, right? So here's an option. So should we put the star on it, or should we put
put some crystal on it?
You can put the bows, or I can put the star on it. I can put some crystal on it. What do you think? I have a star right here. I don't know why it's hanging right there.
You can put it around the tip of the tree.
You can do that. Or if you want to do some red colors, or you can want to do some bows. So we'll figure out what we want to do. All right, ready? Now, so we're going to dust. Thanks so much, Instagram, for tuning back in. We had a little bit of technical difficulty, but we're back in now. So dust it off. And that's it. And you don't want anything else, leave it as it is. If you want some crystal on, you can do some crystal on the top of the tree. Let me show what it is right now. This one, it looks cute though. If you want just really simple as it is. What you think?
Yeah,
Just
that's
like
a
that?
perfect tree.
Or you want this like this? This is fancy tree. It's cute tree.
So no, Ray, yes, we do ship to Mexico. If you want to order something, and we will ship to you.
Look at that. What do you think about this tree?
Yep. People say Go Star's better.
Star? Okay. Hey, Dom, how are you? Thanks so much for tuning in. Okay, go Star, okay? You can do the star. I'm going to do the star. So only you need to do, this time we don't have to do all condensed glue gel because we only need the star part. So if we are going to do that, we just need to apply the condensed glue gels right in the area we are going to place in this fact. I'm gonna using the dot 2 is give a little bit more, or you can using on the other end of the twin tip brush. I'm using a dot 2 to give it like a really good area right there to make sure I'm sealing it. You know what, if you want to be red and green, you can put the red crystal on it. What you looking for?
See, we have a Gold Star instead of AB Star.
Gold Star on the 4-color kits, maybe? No, don't worry about. I like the AB though.
There you go.
So now, because this one is a matte finish, I'm going to apply the matte top coat on to get matching with the background. But now, keep in mind, you can do the background different way. You can do background in, I would say red, or I say if you want to do a glitter on the background. It's just really, it's up to you how you like your background to be. And I just want to leave it plain white. And then just a little bit. And then we're going to cure this one. Before that, I'm going to get it off. It's easy if you have some extra excess. And then we're going to blend it out. What we're going to do, I'm going to blend it out with the matte. See? Before you cure. There you go. So then it looks really nice, and it's no of like lumpy at all. Make sure you adjusting your star the way you want it, tree topper. All right, so now we are going here. You don't coat anything on this because it's really nice texture already. So we're gonna go ahead and cure for 60 seconds. Yeah, that's cute, huh? Like today's is